Osei Mensa me ka no kura kire wo nde say in politics eno ma wo ye diti ankrofo no so mu nyina buru nwi a anka wo abodam dadada say na okay mami fo ogodi o matam no omo no mu ndi mo odua we dey nda wo say obi adote audio nti wo bu afu ekoburu nkofo odua masa Exp0ses MPP Mpenufo, they should be serious. They are not serious in this country. And the Omo nobody is ready for power.
Okay.
I'm telling you, they are not ready. And no man, some level or some will be, and no basa, and they attack whom are they name family. They should be serious in this country because it seems that I've grown here those women so. This of no surprise. Say na uhwe and now my china me video bi.
Okay.
Wouldn't say akwa bi okoka say mahama wo de ye ka. See won say na say
yeah.
Wouldn't say omko obo na masa akonya ba ko bi say on say na say na say. Ono so say mahama wo de ye ka. So it means say ade omo ye ne say adult omo ye adult identification o say adult talented o. Say talented adult o. Omutima tutu. They are not serious. I'm being honest. Sa adult talented o se talented adult no mu yo undimi hu omunnam koko na se na esumu dia holding videos na ade asan they are not serious. I'm telling you, because if Osei Bonsu have this boss to say this there, then he's not serious. So let me be honest. Maurice Ampaw sa papa no sa lawyer Maurice Ampaw when say certificate as a lawyer, it means the first person can get there. No, Kroma should be lawyer Maurice Ampaw.
Oh, really?
Oh no, his words will not be taken serious. Akura me sure so no one year does not take his words serious, even when he instruct them at home.
Wow.
Oh yes, Nema Yemumba doesn't take him serious, even when he instructed his own kids at home. Omo taking it serious. Unless he be a better father, oh the papa can feed in any abre because he knew say. Onyadi oba be can be or can some serious. Oh, man, I'm surprised when I saw him say that that host no cry host no be send those questions. Because if you know lawyer Ampaw in this country,
KT.
You lawyer Ampaw you nim no kroma no. Nko phone him say he's not a serious gentleman. Or you be otimi obetimi aye nhufi. Oh. Me say pe dwale lawyer Ampaw obesan akota tejem.
Right, same Bibia Kwa by her a telemedia so and of course all the exclusives, latest and well updated in same P. Ebusiadia koso e wo memu ye beto apete na obibia so enya chefa e woman of course and semen na maintain time so they are not den. I'm not shafe no join you subscribe, leave your comment under the comment section, like and share the link. Me doing the Samson Owusu a tele evangelist and so Ohene Agyei yes watena si bi ransom nimu na yedi emu nkomo headline and nam and 10 times so if Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu ai yes so panyin na kasa na Osei President Mahama can't reinvent himself ai so panyin no yewura John Domani Mahama said what no enya de so obesesa de nim no dada no sa enti amemu no de munim no dada no se enkoyi no sa na ebekoyi bewura sa ensem no ensu emu
ya ba no so de ebeka no kura kire nipa
okre
ya ma nipa hu bebia no kura ne da
yeah
ezanze ye ompenufo bi okurum ho mo mpesa mo de no kura be adwuma omo afa ne se nipa bi okurum ha bi agimi nti etore bi a no mo de ya adwene yedi agoro
yeah
nti inu ya bande ne yaba
okay
and okre na ne ebeko so aka kire nipa
sure
ni ama nipa hu bebia ekwantene ne da
okre pa
heaven ko ne nkonko ye do gina so dem bo a the onama bontin so twa se hia so be hu no kure no
okay
no kure ni bi ni so bi ba bi twa on twa futuro de gu timambufu ni o in the name say ono so eka o kan se nipa
okay
de twa se eka no kure kire nipa
all right and Ohene yenwuram Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu sema wodi ahete ntintan fide no so ene obi eka ho asemi Osei Mahama de sedi nim no dada na ahwe nsesa bibie no a ebesesa
me no say me ka kire wo say ye ka se leadership a MPP ni bi this time
okay
na mpenufu a na nke nim say Esan komo bua ma MPP amanyo ko ni gina ho no. Bibiri na nso na mabu omu gina ho beto mu na mabu. One of them is Osei Mensa Bonsu.
Okay.
Unim say Osei Mensa Bonsu ye MP won in Exp0ses almost 20 years, say 24 years. So
yeah.
The first MP wo Kumasi ha ye din suo ebon wo mra na otini odwane ko che ne kem. E Osei Mensa Bonsu.
Oh, okay.
That time no wa ye majority leader and almost be 8 years. Osei Mensa Bonsu. The dikan ye dikan e din suo bon wo Kumasi ya. Ne Exp0ses fo din suo bon as MP ni ye ka kire ne say wan bo bra bia. Osei Mensa Bonsu. You know say by then it took them the minority and NDC for so mo bekwa ko bo Osei Mensa Bonsu wo swame me ye di na dwane. So
yeah.
So if this the caliber of person we and e can say we no be so start to be some questions. Esan so mo say asantema wo yen. Asantema wo yen. But mukura MPs nko amakuma at some point in time no mo ye 43 MPs. Omonfo monsensi omogbo nkyere ade poten ya. Omutimi kokon ade bre asantema wa.
Okay.
Mo say every day bi and omoka kire and say Ashanti is the stronghold of MPP. But be so mo say what developmental project ono ma shase e wa santimem ha o ma wie di abo asantiman.
Okay.
Osei Mensa Bonsu ne contribution towards Ashanti development den. So if a person like this is speaking I will you that is why medika aka kire ye kasa no me ka kire say etwa seti memufo hu no kure wo.
Yeah.
Because nkrofo bi ti so Osei Mensa Bonsu o mo ya mamboyefo. The into Osei Mensa Bonsu ya mamboye ni say Osei Mensa Bonsu enye mamboye ni a anko ndi MP be 20 years won Exp0ses so na kwan a na da hokora ni took his excellency John Dramani Mahama so ba be ye swame akwan.
Okay.
Akwan ye da swame his excellency John Dramani Mahama de be ye swame na rose his excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Wow.
But he has been the longest MP. Oh swame. What I say? So we share say nipa we are now. Or say his excellency MPP for into omo no ma ye. Na his excellency John Dramani Mahama entimi hihye no ho kwa na wakasa be hihye o man.
Yeah.
Hwe. In 1st November 2022 me kotu ade bi mo ahwe ade no wohu omo ya mamboyefo okuruma.
Okay.
1st November 2022 a barrel of fuel at international market na 84 to 90 dollars per barrel.
Okay.
Na to a fuel 23.49 cedis per liter. And near Menoka say, and draw apart from Endra, a Swatiaba 95. Before Endra, na a barrel of fuel, a 1 man say jasso, a 111, 112.
Okay.
A 1 man say jasso. Yet near to fuel diesel, a liter 17 Ghana cedis. So imagine if some people are buying a net so and they and a core 111 at the point and 84 to 90. Omo de ko 23.9.
Okay.
23.49. And to be so almost say one buying and that so and the core 111 and kebeton say a liter and kebeton be 33 Ghana cedis per liter.
Okay.
These are the people who are speaking today. And Crofon no mutu futuro no. Osei His Excellency John Dramani Mahama entimi nya hwe.
I said
Ontimi asesa. I can simply sit here and tell you His Excellency John Dramani Mahama first 4 years in governance was better than Kufuor's 8 years in Ashanti region here. Just Ashanti region.
Okay.
Mahama 4 years in Ashanti region. Osi KJT Dubai Edemaye.
Okay.
Osha Aferi Hospital ase, which is around 80 to 85% and so over abem.
Okay.
Oshesewa Regional Hospital ase Edemaye e okurum ha.
Okay.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eya Aswanse market eyi Edemaye. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eya Tonsu market Edemaye. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eye Tafo market Edemaye. Within that 4 years, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Kumawu water project connected to Konongo. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
in the Ashanti
region here. But the at some point in time, now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama making sure say every day be an barricade issue to me about 40,000 gallons of water under the same 4 years of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
Under the same 4 years, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Atonsu high school junction. Akwanya fast wa befa Bonsu Ebabisi Tech, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ye.
Okay.
The same road, His Excellency John Dramani Baye, if you jachi junction, Edukokosi Antwa, His Excellency John Dramani Baye Maye. If you ejuso, Equa promise, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Baye Maye.
Okay.
Wusha Akwanya who within that 4 years from 2012 to 2016. No way bisa say, and the regional minister say, also Ababa Yadi Ukruma, the former regional minister. Also MPP so buy or ye be Burundi. I felt very sad this morning. It's what sad na with that 4 years, the first 4 years of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I'll tell you, sir, his projects are unmatched in Ashanti region because when they started KJTF phase 2, 8 years or month me complete. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on September 2015, and he said KJTF phase 1 I say by early 2017 no more we are so just 2 years. Let's say the whole market can say no more say you two His Excellency John Dramani Mahama you two die galamse.
Yeah.
We are raise our project.
Sa we no enuma say na yura no aye Asante Mantemu na enso ase onya hwe asa Mantemu de oba onya hwe
and nothing na ye ka kire mo say the hypocrisy on the part of the Ashantis is ade ba ko say ye very careful. Na ye jai it is time. Say yenka no kora nkyere danfo danse e be dada danfo. So say menche Bonsu me say on kankyere me contribution towards Ashanti development. Say as a majority leader or somebody at some point in Thailand he was also minority leader. He was a minority leader and at the same time majority leader. On kankyere yen the contribution towards Ashanti development. Say me na me boaye e ma ye yes I dey we Ashanti mem. It's nothing. He's a man that you so born on the constituency. Yes, so after leading the constituency for 20 years. No, he doesn't even have that moral right. Because they failed Ashantis. Fair region being ho. Oh, Mukura 43 MPs belong to one region. That.
Okay.
We are parliament. It is only the Ashanti region and they were a political party here. And look about 40 MPs. What I say?
Yeah.
At when they were in power, they were 43.
Wow.
That is when and no catcher say no more catcher finance minister and some project with Mazia or Simenye. They were not serious. They were not serious. So say Mensa Bonsu is the last person I'm a person in parliamentary proceedings he did well, but in terms of development in Ashanti region, he failed. He was 0%. Zero. If say were negative zero, I would have given it to him. That he failed as an honorable.
The president can't invent himself.
You get it? When we took over from them, Nande, you being the host, make this analysis. Tanasende, what show was sitting compare 2024 to 2026 today. Maybe someone say. Has there been improvement in your life? Wo una what one as some say Mensa Bonsu can. At some point in time, near to Krumha, you be near Bibia near galloping inflation. At the Chianopa, won't file phone. You see, the reason why I'm quoting this is that 2015, 2016, Dr. Mahmoud Bamiatama no year lectures at Hododinam Central Universities, any Assassin Universities. Everything he was talking about was fundamentals of the economy. Because I say a case a member in the economic fundamentals in a year a member.
Okay.
Today, the same phenomenon no more to no more catch economic fundamentals they are member. When we are telling them say today the economic fundamentals are good, almost see inflation yendi. Today almost see city to the dollar yendi. When they say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is an incompetent, so slogan on in a year. Etna Krumha, etoye is an incompetent because let me Mamika Adeba.
Okay.
A Kufu don't so catch it says Sikananya hata. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Or mine is Sikananya hata. No bonnet when a crash come. On the day nobody original stage. No bonnet when a catcher said Sikananya hata and people were clapping. When they were leaving office, we were having a fluctuated CD depreciation. And that 17, Agyei 16, Agyei. That was what happened. It was near from 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17. What is it?
Yeah.
It said, ne, some woman am the board, and the young Koyechi, Nian Koshening, I said, and then Nina Biagina saying. Because when they were coming, Omukache say inflation rate was 15.7. A bina bomb. Omubamuko 54.1. When they were leaving office, it was 23.8. Why? And abon. And the inflation is about 3.2. And we say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. You get it? Date why GDP now saying.
You know what to say.
Date why GDP of 56%. At some point in time, I call 104. What I said, when you people were leaving office, it was around 73. And there was a day. Bank interest rate. When you people were leaving office, it was around 29-30% interest rate in Guano. And then it's sweeping around 13-15. And they get the phone Tom. People who go for loan and don't want Tom. You come and sit here, what's the day? They should be serious in this country because it seems that I've grown the outdoors woman so. There's of no surprise. Saying that and now my china me video be.
Okay.
Wouldn't say akwabi okoka say mahama wo de yeka. See what say na dey say.
Yeah.
Wouldn't say omukọ obunga masa akonya ba ku so say na say na say. Ono so say mahama wo de yeka. So it means say ade omo ye ne say adult identification say adult talented o. Say talented adult o. Oh mutima tutu. They are not serious. I'm being honest. So adult talented o say talented adult no mo yo undimi. Omunnam koko na say na esumo they holding videos na they are saying they are not serious. I'm telling you, because if Osei Bonsu have this boss to say this there, then he's not serious. Because when we've had a government not memufosu no or prioritize cathedral. Na cathedral no go to boho yent me find your face phone ahead of say nipa ebre. When we had the president okofa okoye cut off DDUP, a domestic debt exchange program.
Okay.
Every season, a haircut, every season, Kokorafo, Esika, Ewokruma, and you thought say your government was serious.
Wow.
Huh? You thought your government was serious. The government who promised us on IMF. Throughout the last one, or IMF throughout 8 years. When you ask them, I know my back catcher was say, electricity, and this year, electricity boom 28%. And they are 6% and 22%. At year 2023, almost to electricity 29.9%.
Okay.
And then, let me share a fair marking all distancing move from 3 months adjustment formula. Say, you first have dreaming now from Kobonapo.
So on count.
As a board chairman of UCG, say, Musumi and Sabia Yantu and Kanya boom. What's on count? So you see the people who are speaking.
Yeah.
They should be serious in this country. Because when we come to ratings, and then we took from a junk status economy, a baller economy, and then you'll B plus economy.
Yeah.
Into what comparison is that? A analysis, no.
Now we didn't say, we here, Anna, lawyer Maurice Ampaw. We say no. What's in some Africa? Say, software, omobua, omampanyini. John Mahama, Brana Oba Unya Kyei. A software boy, Busumi Biano, Momo, Akatubi, any a software penny for maybe to a boom in the Osu Bempedi, a boy, Danka Williams, any one particular Pastor Babonidi.
Fair Mamika, so Wunya Sika. Na Wunya certificate, and just a Wunya.
Okay.
Sikani certificate into moving who answer that. Oh, I'm telling you, Obisi school them the Uniska Unyansa, he can think between, he can reason in between lines. Go back this man, Papa we. When a sabo kumasa him foodin say Omoton say no the road ross. Obekai.
Yeah.
And he's a useless personality, I'm being honest. We and the catcher is kumasa him for say. So Moton kumasa say no more the road was name Maiwa and a name street him. The same gentleman, when the catcher says His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Winia, obe 12 free Togo. So he's there on yet the man of his words. He cannot be trusted. His words should not be taken serious.
Okay.
Because in every country, is serious. And Casamna can permanent your mind with. So let me be honest. Maurice Ampaw, sa papa no, sa lawyer Maurice Ampaw. When him sa certificate as a lawyer, it means the first person can get there. No, should be lawyer Maurice Ampaw.
Oh, really?
Oh no. His words will not be taken serious. Akura me sure so no one does not take his words serious, even when he instruct them at home.
Wow.
Oh yes. Nema Yemumba doesn't take him serious. Even when he instructed his own kids at home, Omo taking it serious. Unless he be a better by Omo so the papa can feed in any abre. Because they knew say Onyadi or Baba can't be or can't some serious. Oh, man, I'm surprised when I saw him say that. That host no cry host no be send those questions because if you know lawyer Ampaw in this country,
KT,
you lawyer Ampaw you limit go kroma no. Nko him say he's not a serious gentleman. Or you be otimi or betimi aye nhufi. Oh, me say pe dwale lawyer Ampaw obesan akota tejem. You cannot be taken serious in this country. So there are certain personalities that when they speak, you don't need to respond to them. One of them is lawyer Maurice Ampaw.
Okay, I think Kwame Tanko be saying, "Oh, asem na waka no, oh evidence." So evidence.
I mean to say no, nani PAP. So evidence. But yes, one is here. Oboka ko born when who is here. He's not serious. Me say, so one penny for if they fail to respond to him, it is simply because they know say even his kids doesn't take instructions from him because his kids even know say he's not serious. I'm telling you. So Bobo say baby responded to him because they will see him say, "Oh yeah, he's not a man in the West. It mean anything." Until Mbefa say normal jokes or clacking be. Okay. Want to meet TV na no be ano.
But Ben some not kind of very serious.
It's serious, but why allegations are people who him say he's a man that is not serious. Even the wife ain't taking it serious. And they don't find it serious. I'm telling you. So of course, I saw them go preach out and some man him say, "Odiagro." David.
Wow.
Oh no, he's not serious. Maybe I'm tell lawyer Ampaw credit my time in Buano. Wako school say me. O ska obi biabi. Maybe nife, but I will still see him say, "Oh, any pa onye serious nti." Or can be a craft me or him on crime.
So or can ya can say or no crap per se crano. And this phone pen for be banning chain to give him something Bosumi be an or reject it.
Oh no, Maurice Ampaw.
Yeah.
Na kufa ado kwama ni bibi. Won't me kwent yanaka. Na Mahama never minister. Huh? Hey, when he was campaigning for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia knew very well that gentleman wasn't serious. In the West, Ghana fallen far. Oh, I'm telling you, so nobody was ready for him.
Okay.
When you Masa, we a host. And when I would say lawyer Maurice Ampaw, a host to program. Now the you are born. When was the last time I found him serious?
Oh,
you knew it. Into Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I find it serious, and His Excellency John Mahama find it serious. You know him say in the West, ain't making no impact.
Okay.
I'm telling you. Won't mean convincing the Papa compose on Kotwaba Mobi. This guy is not taking, might not be even able to convince himself. I'm telling you, he's not serious. That man is not serious. I'm telling you.
As a one personal.
No, obey my level a lot of allegations, but I knew him say, and the people of this country knew him say he's not a serious man. I'm telling you, when he serious, and they didn't so serious. When he instruct them, they know say he's not serious. When he asked them to go to school, they know say their father is not serious.
Wow.
What I say? So this is the man we are talking about here. You move on here and our credibility crisis. And your idea is now say me in your case in Kofalo Ampaw some be lawyer. Oh no. You
that's all the number for.
No, you not do that. Now say okra wonye. Based on some okay can you dey obekwa Kofalo. Now we have this case call for me so some Kofalo.
Earlier former Ashanti regional minister Simon Osei Mensa. What in Sambia betuja me pese eti ni nsem no wa kan Sambia fa Dr. Frank Amako hino inti na ye responded to ni nsem no kan
ye fan say the current regional minister so ma hwe no nyema bia ya manfo apus say ya anya hwe No. Also virtually you didn't do it. Or trusted you did. Also what trusted you did originally.
What the meba? Min can bro from your friends somnambulism. And that's somnambulist. Obi on no other. So no being the one so the other is different. No, that's
the one no that's the same.
So maybe show what I'm seeing those. And yes, I so na ya manyo sembu apaye say yemfa nkugu obi animu asia. Me na meka tell you young man. This is original minister.
But for body so power.
Oh, Bamiland there. Say so original minister. You catch any di kind say. Or you of ones are no ahwe dia. Chine bi obi win di onkana nto. The third one, me say. No bia ni twan trotro. You obi o how twan trotro what the no mean e ma. Look, what's your nyawe? Eba, min kwa.
Oh, so utie. Say e duabo say no me o.
You see, my main case in Minchiro. And no social media, see, I did be coso. Wouldn't about be a fear to us, nigga.
Yeah.
The dear son who did Miss Bella attempts by 3 days in a Miss Bell responded to an Obodia, a been Ashanti former Ashanti regional minister. So, person who were quitting or be quitting to a fear to us, nigga.
Okay.
Because winning, they protest these things against the current regional minister, Dr. Frank Amagwene. And you get Matthias Ampaw.
Yeah.
When almost started side when the gentleman was very quiet. No more can send the brain or Akola Onimnasa on yes, Sebio, regional minister Timmy on Fanchame. No more can send the brain at the funnel. By then, Dr. Frank Amagwene, I know AD. And not responded by Kupa, who say, who project a why and say, why are quine? What is another boy? Oh, it is another back when be no catcher and say, Sakwan or fast walk quine in Indy. A 2 day Libra no Budia. Former Santa Papa we, Nisu and in the bang, and Yem once Obudia. Ubekai, Sa Mammy Phobia no more Adriane. MS Kufi.
Yeah.
Omuko. Muka is Omuko office. Ono catch him some from Jimmy and Govia.
Yeah, no,
Ojina swap to turn and sass some from Jimmy and Govia. And no busy Ubas and Timamwa Mamma Yeshia. It is up to you, so better and said me. Under my regime, sad you win, I win, I'm ye. Where do you abo?
David.
Ndokwafu anaka. We asema Ashanti regional minister again. Or some Obama anyehwe. Anambere bi man kase anyehwe. Ye fix it do so say Jan ho de mamo. Mama finance minister say ya mamo excess capacity into ya bo mine kan. Man kase anyehwe. Ye mama Mary, ye mam car park, ye mam bibia and na Mary and si Kumasi e de pa Kumasi. Musi anyehwe. Into obi si wa anyehwe we e de ka kwa bonbia.
David.
Oh, that she is. Who by social media no so. Na say we penina can dey enkwala betimi defend o. Papa penina asem o kan ye nyina ya kanfo. Eduabo. It means say onu agitum say wanyehwe. Because anye ye no, they tie ni interview a ombo 5 project omo sha ase e wa santimemo omo awie. Oh, who guys omo Kumasi airport. Kumasi airport yes sana international airport. It's excellently done by man mama na jazi.
Okay.
What does it?
Yeah.
Obo Kumasi airport. Owie no se yemla ni feature o se yemla ni fie o. Se yemma na baby omo ye we. No ho kwai.
O se ni fie na ekwan na no ho no.
Ekwan na no ho. Yemla no chere project ahodo a waye. A whole regional minister. So today if somebody is accusing you say wo ba wa anye hwe a. We e buru bia.
David. We dey nye bia.
Inti that Exp0ses nigga star of communication as a regional minister in Agyei. Former regional minister is Agyei.
Oh, internet do poma fana also one can you shut up.
Oh, you me papa I can't tell him to shut up, but you should not forget say the current regional minister bit my in the catchery. Inte so kase so hwe.
Oh, okay.
If Kyei is not taken, Womba will respond to you. Because the accusation is wo ba wa anyehwe. Prove to the person say me ba me ye bibi. Me na me yes hide we. Me na me yes hide we. And the regional minister say me nya hwe me the Ashanti festival aba. school for nya so mfaso mame for nya so mfaso ye beautify igusu beautify kumase enne me de nhihye aba se me ye kumase fi bebi akumase efi wo bia yen sisem fi ho me this a project onu ne no ama onu so cast oye no so tell him what you did.
Okay.
And they'll say by June, near we are Ferry Hospital. By June, you better say we hospital. No, you know we should hear ma. And also for the hospital, I'm most we are not in him. No, Nyami adma abros one next month ye baby ano. This a project on no case. Maybe I'm better ye me. Njanka also nya akwanya no. E dey na say we.
Yeah.
Say also chire dey we.
No crepa.
Now you go kan na ko ka chire say akwan. Wo ba akwan na say why basanti abro. Because Asante, you say His Excellency John Domen man the first time you akwan bebre Asante member.
Yeah.
And no buy you know. You akwan who do Asante member. Oba ye kwan wa sign di ni nyina gusu di share contract ase. Oba just 15 months ni o. Ye the akwan ni bi akwa she big push. After Ring Road, ye dey she big push. So am interchange. Ye dey she big push. Say yenye wunim sa akwan we nda oba ye we na MPP for abeka Jose. Yeah, so I'm overhead. And you know, I say, you know, I will fire. If you catch us overhead, we do 10% of the but they will come and sit here. I buy with baby, you know, my catcher say, yeah, crying, yeah. So I'm overhead. Now, so we be fear them, that's a good proof for ma. That's why overhead. No,
there be the way so nye.
You see, a business, I should go overhead and here come one of them. Mammy,
internet, no, the same state, says I'm
telling you. And Professor Evans Atamos, any His Excellency John Domen Mama, as Vice President, baby I will project.
Okay.
And this project here completed in 2011-2012. But His Excellency His Excellency former President Kufuor.
Yeah.
Every abem almost a project in 2008. It be sound say that 1 year na kana na election year no. Omo ye do even. What I say?
Yeah.
And then almost say ye draw ho a. And the yemfa Omampenyu that Kufuor and bad idea because he didn't pay for credit in the goon.
Okay.
But see, will be the credit to the manner. And can first credit to His Excellency Atamos.
Okay.
The late Atamos.
No, I mean, sure said, need the
other. I mean,
got pictures of Babu and Tini.
The late Professor Atamos. Because Obey and Zatam number 2 and ammonia, you know, Jatoa. Sanka cow.
Yeah.
What is it?
Quebec
cow.
Yeah.
You get it? It is a papa and unit is a what your age. And then you bring me abo. Do you know ya breburu ndiano and a kwan obe faso
or sa ko extreme to the TV or ko extreme cra or ko extreme video ko extreme
empire mesraman say omodam hey omodam edipo one ne ma or record ne nana kon empire mesraman say omodam hey omodam edipo one ne ma or record ne nana no de yes a tape no de ye no voice no and wo ma ye no nipa
one politics
I know ding
papa penny say o say o ma doctor odiobi o se bibi za na yen ono a nti nipa ko yes a de no ombodam say we Exp0ses Mensah wunim konkonsa wudi yanse na obey minister e kire kufu adanse na obey minister
okay
wunim no wa bone ne so nhihye bone ne nsem bone a waka fa nkrofo ho ansa na wutim be minister ha o boda o ka che nkrofo so mo boda no ohun akokora aboda mpen a wudi won kwaso nya sa de no na so nkokora brem e na wo ba be boda ma se musu du ho abehu
go say we na can't fide ni so because he said that so asema wa kan da no
na na wo ye wonti wo ye na ni ba wo ye wo ya
nti
o ma doctor o ma doctor say debe odi obi ye ka say o be ka there was this odi e na ma bontin a ye so sisiremfo o ye de o mo ba ye ba bedwale o mo anse na de o mo wura kumase kuro
okay
sa de no se yin ono a na nipa okokọ ye sa de no on bodam na busuafo nyina modam Exp0ses Mensah me ka no kura kire wo nde say in politics eno ma wo ye de ti ankrofo no so mo nyina buru ndua anka wo abodam dadada There say okay mami fo ogodu o matam no omo no mo ndi modua we dey nda wo say obi adot audio nti wo bu afu ekoburu nkofo odua masa Exp0ses MPP mpenufo they should be serious. They are not serious in this country. And the Omokan, nobody is ready for power.
Okay.
I'm telling you, they are not ready. And no man some level or some will be and no basa and they attack who are there in farm. The farm koko he
Opo makra ka sen ko onya enye brails or babontin be kase.
Oh that she is.
Aye.
Ebi a wanyina du. We the minister bi man kwala no nkoma wa.
Wasi mi kwa sen ko babontin sisi ya.
Eja, de wuye, papa you de wuye. Ye ko cassette is ya hwe an akwa cassette ya. Eja, de wuye. Bibi a wanyina du. Ye mu bi no betima ye wo nana.
Too bad. Commenting there.
Me de me nya wo nana de bi ko manyini kakra.
Ano de.
No is meya wo ba. But it's wrong. On any day it's wrong. And then me can one article be matter say I'm tempted to believe say be something you know correct.
Okay.
But I say Agyei MP another mpre. Says o kan His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and to kokoo mo bokwa ko obe petition otumfo and obe Simon na otumfo.
Okay.
Minia. Another prepare him for the koto abama.
Oh. That's the person.
Debbie. Who can say papa we never catch it say so okona MPP ni na NDC na eku a. Bua MPP ni mo mbo NDC ni say okay.
Yeah. Me kai papa.
Wunim mami bi eyusu word bi ma akwa we ma ye nyina ka say o mami na anya de do mami ni sin ni panyini o say silly boy. Me nyina ka say o mami na anya de on the day me kwa ka say o mami de mami o MP too harsh. But I say since then no in the year no ni silly ni yafa.
Sana hu no.
In the year no ni silly no aben hu. Exam say so kwa competition ya babo tumfo say ya ti kokoo so de a and the manfa Ghana nkwanko manfa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nkwanko okonfa Togo abanko onfa Africos abanko onfa Mexican abanko onfa Brazil abanko ko mu nyina ati omkoko so.
Okay.
And so okona so just am mind we dey na papa na say oyanya problem. Word na nka me ya use na ba nka ba ha no. Ote be ha no
abotere.
Ote be ha no.
Abotere.
Because one thing you should not forget say there na no pim so.
Yeah.
Sebi anyo no to koko amanze dwazo.
No crepa.
And on control cocoa prices e wa amanze dwazo.
Yeah.
And onyo no na da PBC ano e Ghana ha. And on da Ghana we on da cocoa board ano e Ghana ha.
Yeah.
It is a me kwa ko say mo e whole president ya mo hene say wate no cocoa so a this aya word ne ba manu me pese mi usu ana ma dwene ho. Sideways very childish oh.
Simu.
Childish behavior.
Yeah.
This is the honest truth. Because at your level, and the way I watch Exp0ses, my Exp0ses e twa wanim no. Ye nim say do o maka kire so mo ta Exp0ses nkete de. A mo kenkan ni nyanza. But say ko ba ni say party na wo ya gu Exp0ses for nanim ase. Sa no maka kire. Ye so mo de bia no mo kan ade nti de bia Exp0ses so mo. Ba no dompre, dompre. Onabo ano dompre. Eno ma bi mfa.
Sa
Na say we aka asem on. Ona bu mutaka. Nkwale eco security agencies.
Yeah.
Security service mu. Mate so say omo medicals no mu no. Omo behwe adwene mu so aka ho. Say what ya?
Yeah.
Omo medicals omo say next one omo say through that omo be examine omo mentality level. No ma hwe say bi mu so bi wa fa drugs pen a. Because omo say sa no mani nyina no. Wa fa drugs pen anya de omo fa na say wa adwene me de na me ka say ebe ya nka MP so ministers so wan you an kan na de be ma na nka because of the ebi ankrofo bi da na din danka ye ma say examination no
enso mra MP
na enfobia
sa
answer ebe to so aba na nka de medical report
aba
na nka ehun say wa adwene mu ye fine na okwa ko lead constituency no because ankoba nsa de obekọ anhwe ana o kan kwase asem sa boss me kwa me hu sa de we na ma ji say me nkopa adwuma kura anya bio ya kwa me nkrofo say nso ma na nso nza amutugu a
ya bebre
esi amache eni anwure bia me de me we cameras ba ben nam mbodi mu a oh mepe nkrofo you see edan metena aka kire wo say ye ban sanitation issues under the jurisdiction of the minister say me ka kire wo
yeah
say anything that has to do with sanitation is a minister minister na adwuma no
okay
minister no ade ba ko pa e betimi ama wo kai say the former president na Akufo-Addo wo say e boze obema the city of Accra is one of the cleanest city in Africa
yeah I remember
ahundie e wo region bi no e yade a edikan esin bibia
okay
to clean the city alone enough say we adwuma no watimi ayefa
okay
de bia me ka kire say anka bibia ye papa opimso na ye building de ka say motumfo bibia anka ni statue si no eyo manya ye serious anka eye tourist place anka nkrofo kokohwe na nkomatua aka
yeah
what I say
sure
we do too very about no so a minia bibia nana yewura ni statue ni si no ehọ na obekọ ne yaye bola de asum obi timi fa bola no woni obi forka wonso wa chechira ade politin woni nzema opa osi bebe obesinsi obi obekọ na bola na okọ akoja atukwan baabi nti si ebitimi maintain the cleanliness of this city and I said this regional some measures here they are to be one of the best because Roma
so yes video ni pa no
video no
act no now that channel no
massa simple
okay
because we dey dance say kuro we ayewo mi ohene wo krom ha was ambla ni bi wo ha say ye chiwo say wo ja ona gu mbodiem ana say ye chiwo say wo ja bola bi di gu ba bi a ye famla hifie so we say afan for we kuro
yeah
nti kwan be so ne be fa so asi efin na ye na no efin na ye ne kwan be so ne be fa so asi ano
okay
the same measures are minister we edu to dwa no
okay
and ye be fa so dey clean the city we esan say the level at which ankofo so bola di fi omufie e bi kokrom ekojagu wo no na say no mo dey e normal tank bi asisi ewiem
yeah
say anka sache water robbers no dey tins ya vansham say bo bako no bi aja e anan no dey akwa ko wuro
nti I think say
o asanse say ni because wo bako na ni nyina aja anan
yeah
nti I think say makachi say minister ni dey o ye adwuma ofata say ese nyina ebo na chidom
obi so be ka say ebema that act na doso eno so e
ebema act ben say omukwa akoto agu na doso
yes
na obekwa akoto agu na ya afan wakwe oh
okay
bema na say ni Ohene eti say drivers no omo so meya say the next can ebefi na say drivers here no omo sisa nkrofo ano omo charge omo fa bia say omo pay ye start chi omo ye do kwa na age 1005 no wo say isi omo eja za age ni mo do omo ye ni say ohun se ni penu bukwa no say ha na meko
answer
be say wa charge fan pepepe nti wo de wo sisa wo ebe art no be do so a minister no say do hia ya dance we dey see we anim kura nka ho
yes
onya amod ne camera ni si usu na ji nyina wa na wo tete bibia age ka wo achi a no nza wo de ka why
nti say either picture or video
simple eno anu
eni ejuma doso
ebe boy mu binom yem bi kwa ye nkwa adwuma bi
wow
yeah omo we because enim say obra nkrofo gbo anu
because sika de be tu say ni pakoro trish no be 50%
na yesha ukwa na wa to bola egu ni eje 1000 Ghana kwa say 500 mango baby amaje ko baby amaje
wow yera doctor aye franka mako ye bo abaso nya meni nukuri ni obo adwuma
oh yes
nukuri bi na ase nukrofo bi mpeso mbeka obo adwuma we me say ye be assess ni dwumadi na e wo say ni 4 years na wo twa no kwa wie
na nke yan fa compare for 8 years
because see dey yenti break kakra
ezi amaza di bodu e
yenti break
enko kan tokwa wuntumi o me see social media so bia kan tokwa e for burudua me na me ka kire o de wo ko yesa asu ni bi okrom ha de entwema because won kwasha de wuntumi wi ase mo na mabọ no ho po se regional minister na bo no ho modin o se mo party no ha nti dem baby am na if o se ma anya hwe house mebodua krache